Next, I want to tell you about what kind of product Flutter Flow actually is and what its main features are, why after 10 years in the development business did we transition the entire team. This is currently a Ukrainian product. It operates in Ukraine. Therefore, you might find something unclear. But I will definitely translate this list through products, the refueling stations of which the company broadcasts for the right, which you could view here. Here, in fact, all our discounts are displayed, which discounts are already all output from the API. This is not made-up information. We also have a QR code. Here we generate a QR code. Here it is displayed, and we show it at the gas station. Next, we have a cart. We have a promo code. We have by which VIN code and where we searched for something. We have categories of spare parts. We have a boat. We can also search by VIN code. We can search, and by the spare part itself, it will show us what and how. And here there are orders. Now the main thing we have on every page, just like on each, and like everything about Upstate, we have page state variables and page state variables. You can basically create anything you want. Here there is JSON, document reference, and date time. Ideally, this tool works with Firebase. There is some markup here. For the database, it must exactly and accurately replicate the database date in Google. We can also deploy here. We can do all of this. We have app state variables, app state variables. Or variables, they can also, like page state, fetch something, accept something, and hold something throughout the entire application. Next, we have API calls. API calls, here you have everything you need. We can really make a request, get, post, del, put, or patch. And we can test various things here, like eJSON. Here, we can filter everything that comes to us through some simple media. I won't dwell on this. We have custom code, everything you might be missing, everything it might not want. You can add it as custom, like custom code. It really exists. Here we are. It works. As you can see, I have a lot of everything. It's very strict. Strict with the rules, because if something doesn't work, most likely it will show here. Not a green check mark, but a red one. A red cross will appear, and therefore it checks all your code in advance before you deploy. You won't be able to deploy with broken code. Nothing will be displayed. It doesn't work like that. Flutter Flow performs a preliminary check of your code. Right here, the code is regular Dart, just like Flutter. There is also a custom widget, a custom action. Here I create call payment to session and custom files. From the cool features, there is Cloud Function, which deploys directly to your account.